So Bitcoin is sitting at 59,565, as you can see right now. And right now what we are seeing on even on 4-hour chart, if you look at it, there is way more structure, and this was something that was missing before. As I had shared with you previously, as long as Bitcoin holds this area of $49,000, it doesn't drop below it. We have a confirmation level at $57,000. The moment Bitcoin achieves $57,000, it will indicate that it wants to go higher. That we are expecting. I made 2 other videos that we are expecting the bottom to be in. Of course, we are not out of it. That will happen once it crosses $60,000 and start living above it. Then only people will have more trust in the market, and they would have faith that what happened here, this was the bottom. And what we are trying to do right now, we are trying to break this structure by going up, and finally we will see a reversal. Now we are getting very close to the $60,000, but $60,000 is a resistance at this stage. If you have watched my previous video, I had clearly mentioned the areas where we expected this thing to go up to, and then again fall back to. Now if we are talking about what do you call it, just a second, if we talk about the support, then I think it would be reliable to say that the support is at $54,000. $54,000 is a reliable support, and we would expect Bitcoin to hold if it wants to continue to go up. The moment Bitcoin loses $54,000, that is going to be our first indication that maybe it wants to go back towards $49,000, or maybe it just wants to go there and create one wick and then rapidly start blasting off towards the moon. But that is the bearish side of it. Let's not get bearish. We have been bearish for quite some time. We had consecutive 5 days of bleeding. We don't want to see that again. So let's stay on the bullish side. The bullish side is that the moment we enter $60,000, that will split the market in two. 50% people will be bearish, 50% will be bullish. And if the aim is to create a bear trap, then what will happen is that the market will slowly continue to go up, giving hope to the bears that there is going to be a major pullback, but that will not happen. And of course, if you talk about liquidation, if it goes up to $70,000, the liquidation in totals can be it can be total around $6.2 billion, which is good for the market makers, and it makes sense. So that is the overall situation with Bitcoin. Be on the lookout, because we are entering no volume days, because weekend is coming and volume is going to be missing from the market. But sometimes that doesn't stop the weekends from turning green. Generally weekends are red or sideways, but if somehow people decide to make the weekend green, they can do that without volume. I have seen that historically, but with volume there is a bit of confidence. You can look at the volume is high and the price is going up. People generally get more bullish rather than having no volume and then the price is going up. What they are doing is that they are just waiting it out, that now it's going to pull back, now it's going to pull back. It's something like that.